Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I decided to do a bit different video, not something to repair, but actually to a bit educate you how to calibrate different tape types so that you would get the best recordings, and where you have to put your attention, before calibration and so on and so forth. So for example, at first we have some music, for example, playing in the background, yeah? Let's put a bit more volume. Okay. Okay, let's not make a distortion. Okay, so we have some music playing in the background, yeah? Right now, let's not concentrate into that music. Let's switch to the tape source, yeah? And how to do tape calibration. So at first, let's for example try to calibrate this type 1 tape, yeah? And let's put device into calibration mode and let's start. And you can see right here we have something, yeah? So at first what I like to do, I would like to adjust bias so that it will be straight with the level, yeah? And bias also, it's a bit always wobbly, but it is what it is. And at last you will have to put some level, and just we have some marks on the screen that we have to achieve, yeah? And that's it. Calibration for type 1 tape is completed. Now when we are recording in the tape type 1 tape, yeah, I would strongly recommend to do not overshoot 2 dBs. This is DIN scale, yeah? So do not overshoot those 2 dBs, because after that, when you are putting in signal that is too big to handle for the tape, you will get distorted sound, yeah? So let's start recording. Now what we have in the and target is, I would say, not more than 2, yeah? So let's remove a bit. About 0, actually, this is kind of almost a sweet spot, And this is source. And this is tape. What we put in, the same we are getting back, yes? Okay, then we have type 2 tapes, yeah? So those are most likely like these. Difference is that those are having those holes right over here, so that the device can differentiate them. And this device have automatic tape selector, so you do not have to put in, for example, from equalization type, from normal tape type, second tape type, chrome, or type 3 or 4, it's metal, yeah? So this device is doing that automatically, as we can see. Type 2 tape. And regarding calibration is actually the same. Record, play. And right over here we have to get also those levels and bias in the middle. Yeah, so like that, and let's remove a bit of volume, actually level, and that's it. Okay, so calibration is done. Right now we can record into cassette. As for type 2 tapes, I would strongly recommend to not go over 0, because after 0 low frequencies most of the time are distorted with some tapes, yeah. So we are recording. This is cassette. This is what we are putting in. Yeah, we can put a bit more volume. Yeah. So what we put in, the same we are getting back. And this recording will sound just perfectly fine. And the next tape type is metal. There are lots of metal tapes, and to differentiate those, they have holes right over here. Yeah. And let's calibrate this one. Okay, so let's put into calibration mode and press play. And with this one we have to do the same, so we have to just put up some level, as I can see, and that's it. Calibration is done. Okay, now we can instantly do the recording. And with metal tapes we can actually go quite hot, yeah. So we can put, for example, like plus 5 dBs easily, yeah. This is we are putting into the tape, this is what we are getting recorded, yeah. Yeah. So that's it. I hope that this was quite interesting to you all, and from now you will know how to actually do the calibration for the tapes, and how much signal you can actually put into those without getting quite distorted sound. Okay, and now I would like to show you how to do that basic maintenance for the device, because after some playback you have to clean the heads, pinch rollers, and capstans too. So I'm using this thing. The solution, this is quite good for video heads, but also it can be basically used and for the audio heads too. So I'm using the Q-tip, soaking in with this solution, the Q-tip, and then let me grab the phone, and then I'm just cleaning the head like that, yeah. Good. Then you can clean like that capstans. And you see we have some dirt already. And I would recommend to do that cleanup every, I would say, two cassettes of fully listened to cassettes, because cassettes are getting old and they are leaving more and more residue after them, yeah. Now how to, some devices doesn't have that feature, but this one has. And you can put without a cassette into the play mode, and you can clean actually pinch rollers like that, yeah. open it again and let's clean up capstans a bit again. And that's it actually. Now you can put back the door. Right now you can just start recording your tapes or just play back what you have recorded earlier and so on and so forth. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.